In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an embedded multi-line power dialer to GoHighLevel. We'll walk through the full process of installing the WAVV dialer from inside your GoHighLevel agency account, and I'll explain what you're doing at each stage so you know exactly what's happening and why. First, log into your GoHighLevel agency dashboard. Once you're on the main agency screen, look for the option called App Marketplace. This is where GoHighLevel keeps all of its integrations and add-on apps. Go ahead and click on App Marketplace to open it. When the marketplace loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. In that search field, type WAVV dialer. Make sure you spell it correctly so the integration appears in the results. After a moment, you should see the WAVV dialer app show up as one of the available options. Next, click on the WAVV dialer card or listing. This will open the app's detail page inside the marketplace. Here, you can usually see a brief description of the dialer, what it does, and sometimes screenshots of how it looks when it's embedded. Take a second to confirm that you're on the correct app, then look for the install button and click on install. After you click install, GoHighLevel will ask you which sub-account you want to connect this app to. This is important if you manage multiple clients or brands inside your agency account. Choose the specific sub-account where you want the embedded multi-line power dialer to be available. Click on the sub-account to highlight or select it. Once you've highlighted the correct sub-account, look for the button that says Select Sub-Account and click it. This tells GoHighLevel that you want the WAVV dialer installed only for that particular workspace rather than across every account. Next, you'll see a prompt to continue. Click on Continue to move forward with the integration. At this point, GoHighLevel and WAVV will usually go